And quite literally, every type of severe weather imaginable happening with these storms last night. Tornado touchdowns, straight line winds, many reports of hail and that flash flooding. And so during the course of our coverage last night, the worst thing happened right in the middle. The National Weather Service radar, which supplies us with their radar feed, that radar went down. And Chris is here to talk more about why or how that happened.
All good questions and all questions we don't have the answers to. Only thing we really know is what happened, and that is radar went down and our source for warning information also went down. It all started around 12:25 last night when the Weather Service lost all ability to push out their warning and forecast products, and from there it fell down to the radar products as well. Take a look at the video. This is what the Weather Service Radar Network status page should look like on a good day. The green boxes are for all the radar sites. Green is good, operating appropriately. Red, not so good. It means they've been down for 30 minutes or longer. And this is what it looked like last night at the height of the outage. Tornado warnings, tornadoes on the ground, all that red. In our central region alone, only 7% of the radar sites were working, and nationally, only a quarter of them were online. Now, fortunately, operations were normal during that first round of severe weather. That's when the tornado actually touched down in Chesterfield. I could clearly see the hail. We could clearly see the wind and tornadic rotation within those clouds. All at the same time, we could see it on the radar, but we lost all of that ability to see it with the storms that came in after midnight at the worst possible times. Overnight, storms intensifying, tornadoes more likely, and at a time when seeing tornadoes with the naked eye is almost impossible, it was a disaster in the making. Now, I asked the local Weather Service office for a comment. They directed me to their national headquarters. I asked them to go on camera. They said they'd rather give a statement. So here's what they had to say about the outage last night. The National Weather Service experienced a network outage that impacted multiple forecast offices across the country. The outage occurred over 5 hours. During that outage, some warning services were impacted. The NWS IT team mitigated the issue by this morning, by moving the network services from our data center in College Park in Maryland to Boulder in Colorado, and operations were back to normal as of 6:30 a.m. this morning. That included watches and warnings going on time. Now, we rely on that information, and I guess maybe we forget how much we rely on some of that information, and it literally was like somebody all of a sudden put blinders on us, and we were blind to everything.
Now, let's just say here, we rely on the National Weather Service and our partners at the Weather Service here in St. Louis greatly, and they in turn rely on our reports too. So we, during severe weather, work hand in hand with the Weather Service office. So they were also flying a little bit blind. At one point, they had to shift some of their operations to Kansas City, so they were issuing warnings essentially out of Kansas City last night at one point.
And they really weren't even sure what we were seeing. So there was literally at one point almost Etch-a-Sketch where they were hand-drawing maps to put on a social media page or a chat page that we have with them and said, hey, this is where the warning is. And then we were relaying that to the public. It was a crazy night, but the most important thing is we managed to keep everybody safe.
It'll, I think, be a national story that plays out here over the next days and weeks to see what really happened and why that outage happened, and of course, to make sure that that doesn't happen again, especially during a severe weather event.
Exactly.
Yeah, a little different atmosphere right now. This jacket is not warm enough. You're going to need an extra layer this evening. We'll talk more about this chill and look ahead to the weekend and that 7-day forecast in a couple of minutes.